If you are still posting manually on every platform, writing captions yourself, and guessing the best time to post, after this video, you will be able to handle all of that from one single place. I'm talking about scheduling, caption writing, image generation, hashtags, and analytics. Everything inside one tool. I will show you exactly how it works, step by step. The tool name is CAT. I'm using as a social media management platform. Step 1. Connect your accounts. Open the tool and connect your social media accounts. All the major platforms are there: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. But it also includes smaller platforms that most other tools skip. Everything shows up in one dashboard. Step 2. Create your post. Go to the New Post option. You get 3 useful things here. First, caption. Use the AI caption tool. Enter your topic or keyword, and it writes a ready caption suited for that platform. If you need a visual, the image generation option is built right in. No need to open a separate tool. Third, hashtags. No manual research needed. The tool suggests them for you. Step 3. Choose how you want to post. Your post is ready. Now decide when to publish it. You have 3 options. Post now, publishes immediately. Schedule. Set your own date and time manually. You can schedule an entire month of content in one sitting. Best time. This one I personally find the most useful. The AI analyzes your past content and decides the best time to post on its own. You do not have to think about it. Step 4. Check your analytics. Performance data from all your platforms is visible in one place. You can see which platform is growing and which type of content is performing better where. Instead of guessing, you make decisions based on actual data. The end result is this: your entire workflow from content creation to publishing is managed in one place. You save time, your posting stays consistent, and you stop jumping between platforms. This tool is practically useful for content creators, social media managers, agency owners, and businesses. The tool is actively being improved. New features will keep coming. That is all for now. If you have a question about any specific step, drop it in the comments.